Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our red laser grid pen. So basically you unscrew this and it takes two AA batteries. Screw that back in. You press and hold the button to operate it, and you can change the distance between the dots it creates with this little thing that turns on the end. So basically it is our budget version and the button does have to be pressed down. So what we recommend is either putting some tape around the button to keep it pressed in, and you can just unscrew it a bit to turn it off, or you can get these little tripods stands, and it comes with a clamp on the top, and yeah, people often put the clamp around the button to keep it pressed in, and with it being on the tripod you can also alternate as well and face it in the right direction. So the further you hold this back, because the grid comes out at an angle, the bigger the area it's going to cover. So if you hold it far enough back, it'll easily cover a wall. It's good to face it a doorway or things like that. So basically what you're looking for, you're asking for spirits to walk in front of it, and you can often see them dim in the area of the stud, and especially if they're moving through it, you can see the lights dimming as they're moving. So it's really good for paranormal investigating. If you like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.